Greetings, ITBU students, and welcome to week 9. So this week we're going to be talking about communications and marketing. So here's our agenda for the week, what we're doing on Monday, face-to-face, and what we're doing on Friday during our synchronous class. And you'll note that there's a final post that I'll be assigning that kind of covers what we're doing in week 9 and week 10. Okay, so this week, Sheena's learning about communications and marketing at the library. She doesn't really know what communications and marketing means, what it does. There isn't actually a department at Thora Public Library, per se. We're going to presume in a small library like that, you've seen the org structure. But in a lot of places, there will be a communications and marketing department. So what do they do there anyways? What's their responsibilities? What kind of tasks do they have? What do they oversee? So rather than give you a textbook reading, I've downloaded and saved this job posting to a Google Doc. So click here and you can go and take a look at it. And that should give you an idea about the tasks and responsibilities. Then complete the quiz to make sure that you identified the key things. Okay, so specifically communications, what do they do? Well, they're responsible for maintaining the corporate or the organization's brand to make sure it's consistent, the image. So just like we talked about in ITSE class, all organizations or businesses have an image that they want to make sure their customers are getting that message about who they are. Do they represent integrity, diversity, cutting edge technology? Who are they? So I've put a link here to the Durham College Communications and Marketing Department. So their website, so you can see the kinds of things that they look after to make sure that the image that the college wants to portray, whether it's in external things, okay, external to external customers, or even internal, that brand is getting across. So pretty much everything that gets published, whether it's electronically or in print at the college, goes through this department and to make sure it meets their requirements. So take a look at that, and then hopefully you'll have an idea what communications looks after. And then we'll start again talking about marketing.